Sometimes last year, Edo State government suggests the anti-grazing bill to the Edo State House of Assembly, and the House come pass the anti-grazing bill into law. Una go remember say one of the provisions of the law passed na to inaugurate the committee wey go make sure say they implement this law. Now this one come make Edo State Governor Obaseki inaugurate 18-man committee on Tuesday, June 6, 2023 for the Executive Council chambers for Government House Benin City wey go sharply start work to develop and implement plans and ways to stop free grazing as well as stop the palava between farmers and herders for the state. Obaseki consti tok say copies of the law go dey available to members of the committee, and he hopes say the committee go sharply start work after the ceremony.
I have pleasure and honor this morning to, in line with the enabling law establishing the Committee on Cattle and Livestock Control, the grazing bill, set up or inaugurate this morning the Committee on Livestock and Cattle Control. As you will recall, sometime last year, the state government passed suggested a bill to the House of Assembly, and the House of Assembly passed into law an anti-grazing bill. And one of the provisions of the anti-grazing law, which was passed by the House of Assembly, was to inaugurate this committee, which will see to the implementation of this law. The copies of the law will be made available to each member of the committee, and immediately after the this inauguration ceremony, I hope that this committee will swing into action with its implementation plans and strategies and the resource requirement, so that we can prepare in earnest the plans and the strategies required to reduce drastically the effects of farmer-herders clashes and also reduce the incidence of free grazing in our state. On this note, it is my singular honor and pleasure to formally inaugurate this committee. Congratulations.
Chairman of the committee, Lieutenant Colonel Sazua Erabo, retired, Controwe Salute give the state government for the confidence and opportunity to serve Edo people, and constantly say the committee go diligently execute and discharge their duties.
His Excellency, Mr. Godwin Obaseki, the Secretary to Government, I want to, on behalf of the committee, express our gratitude to His Excellency for the opportunity given us to serve, and also for the trust bestowed on members of this committee. We as a committee would execute your projections as you have instructed, working within the ambits of the law. And I can assure you that we will leave no stone unturned in ensuring that the purpose and task of the committee is fulfilled. I see that we have so many experienced hands here, and with the caliber of personnel integrated into this committee, there is no doubt that we will make the state proud and deliver as expected. On this note, I want to say thank you very much, sir. Thank you, Your Excellency, and be assured of our best in the execution of the guidelines and all the tasks and purposes of this committee.
From Government House, Benin City, A. Carter, Ojesele, TMC TV News.